Hello, my name is Bethany Dato, and I'm an applicant for the National Holstein Women's Scholarship. I live in a 450 cow registered Holstein dairy farm, Four Hands Holsteins, in Amory, Wisconsin. I work on my family farm with my parents, three younger siblings, and grandmother. My main responsibility on the farm is calf management. Our calves are fed pasteurized milk at 3 a.m. and 2 p.m. I monitor calf health during feedings, and I am capable of administering shots. Some important lessons I have learned from calf chores are the value of family, the stamina of waking up at 3 a.m., and always following through with every job. When I am not managing the calves, I can be found around the farm, helping my dad with milking cows, herd health, or artificial insemination. I really enjoy spending time with my dad because, as a past college professor, he is always willing to teach me new things and has vast amounts of knowledge about the dairy industry. Outside of the farm, I have had countless experiences in the dairy industry. For example, through my 4-H projects, I have shown dairy cattle at the Polk County Fair for the past 9 years. Here, I have had the honor of receiving Supreme Champion and have also learned the value of placing near the bottom of the class. I'm a 7-year participant of the Wisconsin State Fair, where I have served as junior leader for the past 4 years. Developing friendships across the state has been such a privilege. I am also involved in dairy judging and Dairy Bowl. I have been successful at the state and national level, but my proudest achievement is the strong relationships I have developed between my teammates and my coaches. FFA is another integral part of my life. As a 2-year president of a highly active chapter, I have organized a myriad of agriculture education events and community service projects. I've also participated in speaking contests at the state and national level. Another important organization is the Junior Holstein Association. At the Wisconsin State Conventions, I've competed in Dairy Bowl, Dairy Jeopardy, speaking contests, and arts and crafts. I've attended 3 national conventions, the most recent of which I placed 4th in the National Dairy Bowl competition. I also enjoy participating at district shows, and even had the privilege of attending a state show. Now that I have grown, I still love being involved in dairy. I'm currently a freshman at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, double majoring in dairy science and genetics. I am involved in a plethora of student organizations, including Badger Dairy Club and the Association of Women in Agriculture. In the future, I hope to utilize my experiences by working in a research lab to improve dairy or other agricultural genetics. I also hope to volunteer my time towards dairy youth events, as my family did for me. Again, my name is Bethany Dato, and this is my dairy story.